The thing I'm curious about is they didn't take it to a court to look at. They just said, we've come up with a thing, we've settled it, bye. And even the judge was like, what? Like, why wouldn't you bring this to me? Can you talk about the process? What do you think their thinking is there?
Well, I'm not too sure about what the exact process is at this point. It's relatively new, but I do think that the framing of this is exactly backwards. Trump is not paying his allies. His allies were targeted by the government because they were allies of
through the
President Trump.
IRS? Because, like, it's not people who have tax issues who can apply for this. Anyone can apply for this.
And I think that's exactly right. Look,
so how is that not a slush fund?
Because it's a redress of grievances. It is a redress, and it's a fixing of injustices that were done by the weaponization of government. This is
reparations, if you will.
so to speak.
Let's discuss the reparations.
That's fine. But if you look at the guys that were ruined during the Russia hoax, right? Mike Flynn had to literally sell his home and mortgage it to pay for his legal battles. Michael Caputo, a very good friend of mine, had to move from New York with his 2 daughters and wife down to Florida because of all of the targeting. And it turned out that was a complete hoax, that there was not the scale of involvement from. But also, I think this is a real theme of the Trump administration, is they're fixing a lot of wrongs. There was just a case.
We don't mind that. It's more like who pays for it.